In today's video, I'll teach you how to add an appendix to a Word document. So if you want to add an appendix, it is actually very simple. First of all, what you have to do is create a new page. For that, what you can do is click on the end of the document. After you do that, click on this option, layout. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, breaks, and select this option for next page. Now after you do that, you can see over here the next page will be created. This will allow for the independent formatting of the appendix. So what you can do is simply click on the next page. Now enter the appendix over here. Now you can simply select it. Now after you do that, click on the option home. Now what you have to do is simply select a style. For example, I'm going to select heading 1 over here. After you do that, maybe you want to place it in the center. So for that, what you have to do is simply click on this icon that you can see on the screen. Now you might want to place it in the center. For that, what you have to do is click on this icon that you can see on the screen. Now if you want to increase the font size, you can simply click on this icon for increasing the font size. Now after that, what you have to do is simply press enter. Now what you have to do is enter the appendix A over here. Now press shift and enter. Now you can simply enter some information over here. Likewise, press enter. Now you can add the appendix B. Press shift and enter the some information over here. Now you can keep on adding the appendices. After you do that, select the appendix that you've added. After that, click on the home option again. Now select the same style that we selected for this appendix. For me, it is heading 1. Now you can see over here the appendix has been added. So like this, you'll be able to add the appendix. So that is how you add an appendix to a Word document. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.